This fire won't go out, though just a flicker it may be. Shifting through the shadows to a vision we can't see. Hold fast to one another, we will stand stranger to brother.
I've killed people. I don't even know how many by now, but I know why they're all dead. They're dead so my family, all those people out there, can be alive.
We are one,
So I can be alive for them.
we carry on. These burdens weigh so heavily. When our demons we must carry, clinging to this fleeting breath, dying for a fighting chance.
You'll be back with us here